Hello students, so in this lecture we are going to discuss about robotic tactile sensing. Now the word tactile means something that is connected with the sense of touch. So there are different types of tactile sensors available, and but in this lecture we are going to talk about special sensing mechanism which is which actually leads to the robotics, and it is called the electronic skin. Electronic skin, or in short e-skin. Now in an e-skin, mainly as the human skin, as if compared with the human skin, an e-skin has tactile sensors which are affected by temperature, then humidity and pressure. These are the tactile sensors. The tactile sensors are actually dependent upon these external stimulus to get affected by these external stimulus. Now, let's compare the human skin. If we go deep into the human skin, the human skin, the human skin, it has a soft and stretchable nature. So first of all, it is soft and stretchable, and secondly, it has the ability to transform external contact forces into its own deformation. The ability of transform external contact forces external contact forces into its own deformation, and it is leading to something called an internal stress field. It creates an internal stress field of its own, and it precisely perceives the field through various tactile receptors. Now, the the human skin consists of something called Meissner corpuscle. Meissner master corpuscle, and it is one of the tactile receptors in the epiderm of the skin. It consists of something called nerve endings, then Schwann cells, and connective tissues. Now, the coiled nerve victim, this nerve victim is coiled. this called nerve ending together with uh, the flattened Schwann cell, flattened Schwann cells, they form the sensitive what is known as the mechanoreceptors. Mechanoreceptors. And the connective tissues that is also available, they actually uh, they tightly, they make sure that the the Meissner corpuscle is tightly bound, and it ensures that the corpuscle can work stable even for large deformation. So stable even at large deformation, even even as large deformation takes place, they they tightly bound the Meissner corpuscle so that they become stable. They are not affected by if the deformation is very large. Okay, now based upon this property of human skin, what has been an artificial skin called bionic corpuscle has been formed. The bionic corpuscle has been found, and it is actually what is known as a biomimetic, something which mimics the biological system. Biomimetic mechanoreceptors. BMR, biomechanical receptors. As in the case of an human skin, as the skin, let's talk about the human skin, that is an external force is applied to this human skin. It corresponds to external force. It corresponds to deformation that can change the surrounding environment of the tropical nerve ending. So that is deformation, and it changes the environment of the tactical nerve endings. Tactical nerve endings. And the nerve signal characterizes the stress field of the soft skin tissue. So the nerve signal that characterize the stress field of the soft tissue. Now, based upon this biosensing concept, biometric mechanoreceptors, as previously told, have been formed, and the deformation is or the deformation layer is made up of an elastomer, which is basically an elastomer, a soft elastomer, which is extremely soft, and it is basically called an Ecoflex gel. Ecoflex gel, and in the middle of two cacti, the stress field. Now there are also epidermal sensor arrays at the top. In between them, you have this Ecoflex gel, and below it, you have the dermal sensing. So the first layer is epidermal sensing array. The second one is the Ecoflex, the deformation layer, and the third one is the dermal sensing array. These system is then used to sample the pressure distribution. So they sample the pressure distribution from top to bottom. Okay. Now the bionic corpuscle, as we have mentioned, the bionic corpuscle. It is mainly made up of thermoplastic polyurethane and carbon black. So thermoplastic polyurethane, it is in short called TPU, and the carbon black system, and it has got high sensitivity. The minute response time is about 35 millisecond, and there is a serpentine serpentine interconnects, and an island bridge structure. Interconnects and entanglement structure are actually based upon copper and polyimide laminated layer. It's copper and polyimide lamination on which this serpentine interconnect and this island structure is framed. Now,